Marcos from eCpp Auto Parts, here with our upgraded towing mirror built for any 1998 through 2001 Dodge Ram. Our towing mirror is designed to be manual folding, manual fold up, and comes with an upper adjusted power mirror with power heating and a smaller panoramic mirror to increase your road safety and visibility. In addition, our towing mirror comes with the same 3-pin mounting locations, OE connector, and base plate as your vehicle for easy installation. Measuring at 16 inches in length and a combined mirror length of 11 inches by 7 inches, our tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.